Hello winners, welcome to this video where we're going to talk about how I started trading Forex with $30 in my account. Well, that is just half of the story, because the other story is that I've blown a lot of accounts before I stopped blowing, and at $30 that's when my account size was. So before that I was gambling, and I can say that I started trading Forex at 30 because that's when everything started to go better. Are you here to learn how to stop? Or maybe you are struggling to stop blowing accounts? Well, in this video I'm going to teach you some tips and tricks of how to stop blowing your accounts. As you also can hear that it didn't go well for me in the beginning, so yeah, I hope that it goes better for you, but we are all struggling in the beginning anyways. I did, yes, lose a lot in the beginning, and then I transitioned into break-even trader for quite some time, and then now I am profitable over the years. My name is MINDBLOWING. I'm a Forex trader and I am a mentor. Yes, I do hold an economics degree, and yes, I have been trading for years, so I do feel like I have some tips and tricks and some knowledge to give to you. Also, comment below. There's a comment section there. Ooh, right here. So in the comment section, please type in awesome if you like this video, and of which tricks did you take home with you and think, I'm going to learn something about that. Well, please comment below. It would be amazing. So, thumbs up. Let's get to the story. Awesome. I started trading binary because I saw an ad on Facebook that was obviously later on it was a scam, where a celebrity or a known very wealthy person, now they have finally found the reason for why he was wealthy. He was trading binary. Binary is where you are gambling in the future of the price being below or above current market price. So when you enter an option, you either sell or you either buy, and then it's just one tick that needs to be in your favor for you to get a 70% payout. And then if you lose 100%. So you, over the time, you need to be profitable, and I was not, so I stopped. Then I figured out, I need to hold my trades so I can wait, because I was early. So I wait for trend to turn around. So okay, where is it? So Forex. Then you can hold the trades for as long as you want, as long as your stop loss allows it. So I went into there too. Did that go well? No, it didn't. Struggled a lot. And then you also see on YouTube or social media where people are printing money, as it seems, on Forex or on binary or whatever it is. And what you have to take into consideration is that they have a lot of risk. If you can double your account in 2 days, you can blow your account in 2 days. So risk and reward is closely related to each other. And then when I started making it in the Forex market, I remember one time I took, I guess it was $100 in my account, and then I traded oil, and then by 2 or 3 days, I had $300 in my account, which is amazing, right? So, and I was like, wow, what did I do? So I trend traded oil. That only applies when oil is trending. That doesn't happen that much. So in the end, I lost all of it, and yeah, that's that. And do I wish that I never invested those money? I don't know. Can I see it as a positive note, as a business expense? Maybe. But will I ever get it back? Yes, I have. So what can I do? What should I do to stop blowing accounts? Well, First of all, in this story is that when we were at $30, I saw on YouTube that somebody meant that on a specific date, you should buy JPY pairs. Okay, and I added, I guess it was 5, so I bought all the 5 orders. So I bought all the yen pairs I found. I guess it's 5 pairs that I did, and then it went up to $65. $65. That's amazing, right? But this was in the beginning of the year, so I'm like, I need to find better trades. I need to find, can I redo this, or what do I do? So I waited until August, and then August again. This person meant that I should buy JPY pairs, and then I went from 65 to, I think it was 120, if maybe 114 if you actually find their real records, but it's way above 100. So I have double the account and I have double the account. Now I'm 4 times the amount that I had invested. We're still not above the initial investment of 250 of the account, but boy, I had found the gold, and now I was on the way to profitability. That is how everything started, and that's why I love JPY pairs, because that's what got me out of my mud. Okay? So if you have, tip number 1 is, if you have less than 100, you only need 1 order. But Ivan, that only makes me so little. 1 order? Well, you need to be, unlike me, you need to be consistent, and you need to be, instead of being aggressive, you need to be relaxed. I can't remember the word right now. Conservative, correctly. You need to be conservative trader. So 1 order if you have less than $100. Okay, and then you need 50 pip stop loss. That's a hard stop loss, either 50 or 75 depending on the pair, or 75. That's a hard stop. That is the end of that trade idea. By the way, it's just a trade idea. The market only tells you that you're wrong at that specific time. Nothing else. Tip number 3. So 1 order, 50 pip stop loss. So few entries. If that means that you should only do once a month, yeah, maybe. Or if you should do twice a month, maybe. But entering 15 a day that some signal providers gives you, or 15 a week, that is absolutely crazy. Did you know that that's crazy? 15 a week, I'm like, I can't even hold up, because I only trade 1 currency. And yes, I didn't do well in art and crafts. 1 currency. So I only have maybe 2 or 3 pairs at any given time that is in the direction of my, let's see. Yeah, we're coming down here. Okay. So number 5 is then, bias. So if I have 1 currency and there's 5 or 6 pairs, maybe 2 or 3 or 4 of them are in the same direction as my bias. So when I want to buy a specific thing, or buy euro yen, then euro has to be in my direction, in my bias. It has to be bullish. It can't be bearish, right? And I have found that if you just trade maybe once a month, maybe the open of the month, that would set you off in a very good position, because when you trade the beginning of the month, you have one trade and you're like, I'm going to make it amazing, that one trade, because you can't afford to lose and you can't afford to miss. And if you're wrong, then you're wrong. The market will prove you wrong. It only tells you wrong at that specific time. Okay? That could lead you to become a profitable trader, and a trader that is doing way better than those who is fire for a fact every single second. Okay? So tip number one, only one order if you have less than 100. 50 to 75 pips stop loss. Hard stop loss. Very specific hard stop loss. Few entries, one currency, and one bias of direction. Maybe you have a whole year or just specific months. How do you determine your bias? Well, you can flip a coin, or you can do fundamental analysis or technical analysis and figure out what normally happens in December, January, February, March, April, whatever, which month is coming now, December. Okay? I think that's awesome. I think that's pretty awesome. If you found any value in this video, any learning, anything, laughed or anything, please comment below and please give me a like. But commenting would be amazing, okay? This video is in the category of how to become a better trader, and I believe that I have given you tips, I've given you value, and you should, if you take this into consideration, if you take actions on these tips, you can become a better trader. Okay? You might not think that, I need a mentor. Well, sometimes you do, and mentors do help you do help you become a better trader. I have never had a mentor, but yeah, that's also a way to learn trading, and you can also learn by yourself. So if you find me on Facebook, please come along. If you find me in my private group, come and join along, and I will try to help you out. Okay? And stay safe out there, and don't risk money you cannot afford to lose.